It can be quite a chore following rates day to day and rate movement. Even after doing as much as you can to compare apples to apples and oranges to oranges, it's still going to be a daunting task. There can be significant changes and discrepancies between companies that look like they just simply don't make sense. All the rate info you're looking at is hours old typically. It's hard to get real-time quotes unless you're actually watching the prices of bonds and mortgage-backed securities, which most people don't have access to or don't understand how to read. You're looking at a rate quote sometimes that involves points. You're looking at a rate quote sometimes that doesn't involve points. You're looking at a rate quote sometimes that's a 15-year and you might think it's a 30-year. You're looking at a rate sometimes that comes with all these other fees that are involved that you don't see on this website. What I do say is always look at the smallest print you could find on the page. That's usually where you'll see the disclosure about how many points or what the fee is for that particular rate. Loan level price adjustments are basically how banks rate certain mortgages. That's why you'll see one person will get a rate of 6%, one person will get a rate of 5.75, one person will get a rate of 5.5%. It's because the bigger and higher the risk is of the loan defaulting based upon past performance, the more loan level price adjustments and the costlier the loan will be. You can also judge a rate by its APR. Now, once again, because somebody quotes you a rate does not mean that that is the rate you're going to get. You need to look at your rate and your APR. Your APR is your annual percentage rate. That gives you the total cost of the loan over the life of the loan, and is probably more important than an interest rate. But it's really weird when we get a phone call of somebody asking for an APR. They're usually just shopping a rate around. This isn't a supermarket. It's not a good thing to shop rates around as if you are in a supermarket. I do recommend that you find somebody you trust, somebody who's local, somebody named Sal, and put your application in with them. As long as trust is involved, it's a great foundation for what we're looking to do, and everything else can be built from that trust. Always be careful of any lender that's an internet-based lender, and do your homework on them. The Rocket Mortgages of the world, and all those type of lenders, they use these teaser rates. These are the lenders that you're going to want to pay attention to the most when it comes to the fine print. They must disclose how many points a loan is costing, or if they're actually giving you an estimate that's real life or an estimate from another date. So be very careful with those online lenders and make sure to read the fine print. I can't stress that enough. Thank you. Have a great day.